Hey there, welcome to the world of programming, where your imagination becomes real. Today we will start by defining what programming is. Think of programming like giving instructions to a super smart robot friend. You tell it exactly what to do and it does it every single time. Unless you make a mistake, which is totally okay. What is a bug? Bugs are just tiny puzzles waiting for you to fix. Why learn programming, if you may ask? Programming lets you build your own games, your own apps, robots, website, animation, and even technology of the future like AI and virtual reality. It's like having superpowers but for your own brain. So what are the examples of programming languages? We have Java, C++, Python, JavaScript, Swift, Solidity, Rust, amongst others. And you don't need to bother yourself in learning all the programming languages. Each programming language is used for different technologies. Can you now tell what programming is and give some example? Well done, you've done a great job. My name is Mr. Abdulkader. I'll be your friend and instructor in this journey. Alright, young creators, strap on your coding kit, grab your imagination, and let's begin your adventure into the world of programming.